So I'd like to show you, my fans, my followers, about those manhole chambers. I was sometime destroying them. So you need to see the final or the finishing of them, and the finishing of the compound, the whole compound that I was destroying or demolition. So you need to see the results. At least you can admire the places. Okay, as you can see, it's a long time without saying. As you can see, you can see the new chamber or new manhole chamber, how it looks like, or how there looks like as a cute. There are cute chambers. Amazing job, I can say. I want to show you one by one. Now the compound is cool. Tenants here are enjoying life because it's a smart place now, and we are not yet making painting. This is the last step, painting. I will show you, or I will update about painting. First of all, you need to see the result of a long-time job. I was demonstrating here. And my friends, my sister, my mother, my father, my uncle, my cousin, my aunties, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as Gilberto Architecture and Construction. I still asking a job offer from any one of you. You never know, you can be the next boss. You can be next client. It doesn't matter where you come from, where you were, who you were, what age do you have. You can be my boss. Don't worry about it. Yeah, that is.